Hey Queen, it's me, Shane, back with more tea, wigs, and scandals. Now, today, as you can see, I'm wearing real clothing, not pajamas. I know, upgrade, hello, love that. So today, I thought I would talk about, me, because I'm important, and I matter. So that's that. So I want to talk about me being stressed because I'm always stressed. Hold up. Need a drink. Love that. So, I'm stressed because everything is falling apart. I start high school tomorrow. I know, stressful. I can't speak. Yeah, so I start high school tomorrow. That's stressful. I have an audition today. That's stressful. My schedule's fucked up. That's stressful. I have a lot going on. That's stressful. I'm always hungry. That's stressful. I should do a mukbang. Hold up. Hold up, I need food. I am back. I have food. Oh, sneak peek there. Don't peek. Don't peek, you pervert. Don't be peeking. Alright. Cue mukbang. Hi guys, it's me today with my mukbang. Today I have some snack food for me trying. I have some Tostitos. Already dug into these. Always hungry. I have some Incredibles 2 goldfish. Oh, in 3 fun colors and 2 fun shapes. Love that. And lastly, I have some Cocoa Pebbles. Let's dig right into the feast. And the real good, hot, piping tea. So, yeah, so I'm like stressed. There's a lot going on in my life, which is fun. Anyway, yeah, so like, lots going on. That's fun. I'm sick of these goldfish. Irrelevant. Anyways, yeah, so like, lots of stuff is happening, which is fun. But like, I want a break. Now I know what you're probably wondering.
Shane, you just had a break. You just had summer break. Keyword, break.
Well, you're not wrong. But did I really have a break? No, because I was so stressed about I wasn't even stressed. What am I talking about? I think I'm on crack. They're stale. Ugh, over it. Anyway, my chips are stale. I'm done. I quit. So it's like, well, why do I suddenly feel like I need a break if I just had a break? I don't really know. So, that's fun. Oh, there's like nothing left in here. Oh my god. So, yeah. Welcome to the struggles of me. Yeah, so like, I think that I should just hop in a car and drive away. Where? Not sure. But, you know, honestly, who cares where? As long as I'm not here, everything's great. So yeah, like, I want to go away. I should go to Kentucky. Kentucky. What's in Kentucky, you might ask? Well, nothing really. Some fried chicken, maybe. That was a bad joke. Wait a minute. I know what I should do. I should go to New York. And I should live in the Hershey store. Like, how fun would that be? Like, I already love chocolate. Case in point. So, like, why don't I just live in a chocolate store? Like, Willy Wonka can do it. Can't I? Hello? Ooh, more food for my mukbang. Anyway. So yeah, like, I mean, why wouldn't I want to live in a Hershey store? Like, that's fun. And like, I'll always have access to chocolate. So I can always be who I truly am. Unhealthy. So, that's that, dude. I'm sick of these weekends. I am disappointed! Oh my god, I can't find good food anymore. Back to the goldfish I go. So, yeah. So, I want to talk to you guys about, the good tea. And I mean the best of tea. So, I want to possibly film some collabs. Now, comment down below, right down there in the comment section, down below, if you would like to collaborate with me on a video. I want you to know that now is not the time, because I'm busy. But, if you like, send me a text. Hit me up on Snapchat. Also, I'll leave my Snapchat and my Instagram in the description box. Love being a YouTuber. Just like, hit me up. We can collab. Comment down below if you want to collab. Comment down below with collab ideas. Because I have no ideas. I'm unoriginal. Case in point, me editing like Antonio Garza. Because I am unoriginal. Love that. Yeah, so that's that tea. This is, just like, I don't know why I filmed this video. I just got home from singing the national anthem with my high school's concert choir, at the district meeting, which is frightening, because the district meeting is every single teacher in the entire district, and that includes kindergarten through 12th grade. K through 12. And I'm like, the past 9 years of my life are going to be in one room. That's great. Also, my French teacher saw me and she waved to me. It was great. I loved it. I was like, oh my god, my French teacher. Love her. Love Madame. Honestly, you always hear someone go, love Madame. And I'm like, there are so many Madames that are like, love Madame. Like, why is the French teacher always nice? Oh, that's a lie. The French teacher could be a bitch, but that's irrelevant. I need another drink. That was great. Who is this Coke? Oh, this isn't one of the name Cokes. Fuck. Life struggles. 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 God, I fucking hate life sometimes. I am hungry still. My mukbang was unsuccessful and unpleasant. I had Cocoa Pebbles, which, by the way, were pretty good. Goldfish, could have been better. stale Tostitos and like nasty ass wheat thins. Trisha Paytas would never. Trisha Paytas like gets a Postmate and like gets like Domino's. Like her like pizza mukbang. Oh my god, that was like ooh, so much good pizza. But like, I have no money, and I mean no money at all. Like I have no job. I have no time for a job because I'm always busy. I hate my life. Everything is just so stressful. I wanna go. And everything's just so stressful. Look, I'm crying real tears. Ariana Grande can never. She has no tears left to cry. Real water on my shirt. Okay, so that's all I have for you guys today. So yeah, I just want you all to know that I am better than you, which also that's my new tagline. I'm better than you. And as always, stay snatched as usual. I love you all. That's a lie. I hate most of you. But I love myself. And that's what matters. Because I am better than you.